Hey everyone, welcome back to Mangalore KA19. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the process of checking your EPF passbook or balance using the umang app. Whether you're a new employee looking to understand your EPF contributions or just want to keep track of your balance, this guide will make managing your EPF easy right from your smartphone. So let's get started. Hashtag Step 1. Download and install the umang app. The first step is to download the umang app, which stands for Unified Mobile Application for New Age Governance. This official app offers a variety of government services, including EPF, in one place. You can find it on both the Google Play Store for Android devices and the Apple App Store for iOS devices. Once you've installed the app, open it up and complete the registration process using your mobile number. Make sure your mobile number is the same one linked to your EPF account to avoid any issues later. Step 2. Access the EPFO services. Once you've registered, the app's homepage will show a wide range of services. Use the search bar at the top and type in EPFO to find the EPF services quickly. Click on the EPFO option and you'll be taken to a list of different services. Under the EPFO menu, select Employee-Centric Services. This section is specifically designed for employees like you to manage your EPF account. From here, tap on View Passbook to proceed. Step 3. Log in with your UAN and OTP. To access your EPF passbook, you'll need to log in using your Universal Account Number, UAN. Your UAN is a unique number assigned to you by EPFO that remains the same throughout your employment, even if you switch jobs. Enter your UAN and then input the OTP sent to your registered mobile number. If you're having trouble receiving the OTP, ensure your mobile number is up to date in your EPF account details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your EPF passbook, which provides a detailed breakdown of your contributions, the employer's contributions, interest earned, and the total balance available in your account. And that's it. Checking your EPF balance through the umang app is quick, easy, and secure. I hope you found this step-by-step guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Mangalore KA19 for more valuable tips and guides like this one. If you have any questions or run into any issues, drop them below and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.